Hey guys, welcome to the TenorShare channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the iPhone unavailable error on the iPhone 17. This message can appear if you enter the wrong passcode too many times, if Face ID or Touch ID stops working, or if the device becomes disabled for security reasons. No matter what caused it, don't worry. We'll walk you through 3 effective and legitimate methods to unlock your device and get it working again. Method 1. Using the Forgot Passcode option. When the iPhone unavailable screen appears for the first time, you may also see a Forgot Passcode option at the bottom. Tap it and it will then tell you that this will reset the device to restore access to the device. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your account. The iPhone will automatically erase itself and restart as a fresh device. After the reset is complete, your device will be restored, and you can go ahead and set it up again. If you don't see these options or aren't able to use this method, then try the other methods that follow. Method 2. Using iTunes or Finder. If the Forgot Passcode option doesn't work on your iPhone, the second solution is to use iTunes. If you're using macOS Catalina or later, you can use Finder. Connect your iPhone to your computer and open iTunes. Then you'll need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. You need to press the volume up and volume down buttons, then hold the power button until the iPhone shuts off and the recovery mode screen appears. Once your iPhone is in recovery mode, iTunes will prompt you to restore or update. You need to choose Restore, which will download the iOS firmware and erase the device data. After the reset is complete, you'll need to set up your device. In most cases, this should unlock your iPhone, but if iTunes encounters issues and the reset fails, I'll recommend you try the third method. Method 3. Using TenorShare for UK. If the first 2 methods don't work for you, the third option is to use TenorShare for UK. This is a quick and reliable tool that doesn't require a passcode or iTunes. You need to connect your iPhone to your computer. After launching For UK, you'll see the Unlock iOS screen option. Follow the prompts to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Once in recovery mode, For UK will detect your device and provide the latest firmware. You'll need to click Download. Once the firmware is downloaded, you can click Start to remove to begin the process. The removal process takes about 10 minutes, so please be patient. After your iPhone restarts, the lock screen passcode will be removed. You need to complete your iPhone setup. Then, you'll be able to use your device. These are the 3 most effective ways to fix the iPhone unavailable error on your iPhone 17. Whether you use your Apple ID iTunes/Finder or TenorShare for UK, you should be able to regain access quickly and safely. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more iPhone tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.